All right, this video is for Steve, who asks about how solar radiation threatens astronauts and what we're doing to possibly solve that problem for the future. So the short version is that the nuclear reactions in the sun produce huge amounts of high energy particles, which basically means they go barreling through space, and if they're not blocked by something like the Earth's magnetic field, they go smashing through your cells and just destroying DNA like a bowling ball and bowling pins. So that's definitely a major threat to long-term human habitation of really anywhere other than the Earth. There's really three technologies or techniques you could imagine to solve this problem on a large scale. One of them is generating your own electric or magnetic field from your spacecraft to basically function like a mini planetary magnetic field. That's really hard, takes a lot of power, and we're nowhere near really being able to do that. Another option is to use some kind of shielding, and actually water is excellent shielding. So one of the more out there ideas is you store the ship's water in sort of a shell around where the crew lives. And so you have to have the water anyway, so that accomplishes the water storage and it creates a physical shield for the particles. What's the third way? Those are the two basic ways, a physical shield or an electromagnetic field shield, rather. Another way is if you're living on the moon or somewhere, you live underground. So you have a large rocky surface, which, if it's thick enough, will block most of that stuff. But it is a very real problem, and we're really not at the point, from a leadership perspective, that we're actually trying to do that. So the problem hasn't needed to be solved yet. So we'll see. Thanks for the great question.